Hi Mike, you wanted a bit of explanation on the language tables and obviously on the fact still that we have to sort out here outside of the, well, it was part of those 14 points obviously. But the main thing is obviously language tables, which if we will start creating a new task right now, and I am logged in actually as a practitioner demo, and I look here, the language table works perfectly fine. So I look like an idiot. It wasn't working before, so I don't know what was the cause of it. But obviously this is something that didn't work previously. And I think we kind of sorted out the issue of actually sorting the clinics and stuff like that. Now this is the clinic that is assigned. And you can see here, I'm not sure if I'll create new one. I'll have to do that. Let me try to create actually a new clinic. I'll have to be logging in. I'm sorry, I still got a bit of cough as someone else. But let me check as well the new. This is the problem with the calendar. Remember what I was saying? Actually, when you click on calendar new, it actually does nothing. So I have to go here and just create something new, something irrelevant. Okay, the language table here is fixed as well, so it's the right one. I don't need to change anything here. The only thing obviously was the customization of the menu, so we really don't need the custom fields. I don't really need the freaking reference. Actually, no, I do kind of need, but definitely no advanced. I think I cancelled from that, and a note, because the notes are here already. And obviously with regards to the, as much as the appointments make sense to me, the start and end time, I just still don't understand what is the purpose of starting time for the task. And it should have just a due date, I assume, unless it's somehow related to projects. Maybe that way it's important. But if you could explain that, that would be great. With regards, the last bit that actually I had a problem was obviously this byproduct. Because what happens here, you see I'm in the practitioner demo who actually is limited as much as we can limit it. If you click on this byproduct, you straight away get everyone. And then, and even if you don't have access to, theoretically, to them, if I click on that right now, I can actually access it. So it's something that we have to sort out, and I did actually switch that off, this byproduct, in the account. And I can show you this right now if I log in actually as myself very quickly. Then you'll see actually that we've got that actually sorted in the roles. Sorry. So if I'll go in the role for the practitioner, which is obviously here, and I will edit the information for it. And if I'll go to actually my my patients, you see byproduct is not ticked on yet. It still actually applies there and is there. So I don't know how to switch that bit. If you could help with that, that would be great. Outside of that, we're pretty much getting there. I don't think there is much more. I just want to test one more thing. If I actually create a new clinic, if I will be able to see it, the clinic name will be test 1. And I will create that clinic. I'm just curious if I will actually have this clinic popping up in the practitioner right now. So let me test that. Hopefully it won't. So if I'll go reference to clinic and I will search for it, right now it doesn't show it, which is great. If I go test, and actually not showing, which is good. So that's the important. So if I'll create a new clinic, the clinic is only assigned to obviously the person who created it, and the same should go actually to the patients. So if we create a patient here, they shouldn't have access. Anyone should have access to those patients, which is obviously the whole goal of it, and it's great. So that's pretty much it. With regards to that language table, what I was saying, there is a couple of phrases that needs to have adjusting here, but it's not a priority or major thing. The major thing actually is here. So this is what was the other element I was talking about. If we're gonna go to the portal, the support desk portal. Obviously here I don't really have access to this. You see some of those elements change because instead of contacts I do have patients, etc. But if I'll go to the Really Live portal, you'll see straight away that that actually doesn't apply. So I have absolutely no access really here. So this is the language table I was talking about, so the product support ticket. And you know, if you click on the support ticket, it makes no sense. It looks like a technical thing. I know that it works as it was designed to work, but if I want to actually, you know, first of all, I don't really have a option to place a ticket, or sorry, no, there is a log a new request. I assume that's what it is. But that's what I need to just change actually the language here. So instead of log a new request, you know, SQ practitioner or something like that, add attachment. This probably I'd like to take away. I don't want that to be here. They don't need product category. I don't think they need a priority to be set up. It's too confusing for those people. And obviously again, submit a service request can't be service request, as you can imagine. So that's the elements that we need to actually sort out. And you know, I would prefer, instead of support portal, to be basically, you know, talk to your practitioner or something like that. So just like we did before with the other one, I don't really have access to those phrases. If you could show me where is it, maybe I'm just missing it. If you could show me where is it, obviously I'll fix it very quickly myself, and then I will try to sort out all of them, and it should be easy. So that's pretty much it.